In Knoxville neighborhoods where tree-lined streets meet classic Southern architecture, first impressions matter. From historic homes in Sequoia Hills to newer builds in Farragut, homeowners are always looking for ways to stand out while staying true to the character of their community. One of the most effective and elegant upgrades you can make is installing bay windows. These beautiful architectural features do more than brighten your living space, they dramatically enhance curb appeal and elevate the entire look of your home. A striking exterior upgrade: bay windows instantly add dimension and depth to a home's exterior. Unlike flat windows that sit flush with the wall, bay windows extend outward, creating a bold focal point. This projection breaks up flat facades and adds visual interest from the street. In neighborhoods where many homes share similar layouts, a bay window can be the detail that sets your property apart. Knoxville's diverse architectural styles, from traditional brick ranches to charming craftsman homes, pair beautifully with bay windows. Whether framed in crisp white trim or accented with natural wood, they add a timeless elegance that complements both older and newer homes. More natural light, more beauty. Curb appeal isn't just about how your home looks from the outside. It's also about the warm, inviting glow that shines from within. Bay windows are designed with 3 panels, typically a large center window flanked by 2 angled side windows. This design allows sunlight to stream in from multiple directions. In Knoxville, where seasons shift from bright spring days to cozy fall evenings, natural light plays a huge role in how welcoming a home feels. From the street, large bay windows give passers-by a glimpse of airy interiors and sunlit rooms. That subtle visual connection makes your home appear more open, cheerful, and well cared for. Showcasing stunning views: Knoxville is known for its rolling hills, mature trees, and scenic views of the Smoky Mountains. Bay windows are perfect for showcasing these natural surroundings. Because they extend outward, they offer a wider viewing angle than standard windows. Inside your home, you'll enjoy panoramic views of your yard, garden, or neighborhood. From the outside, the presence of a bay window suggests that your home was designed to embrace the beauty around it. It creates a sense of harmony between your property and the landscape, a feature that prospective buyers and neighbors alike appreciate. Adding architectural character: many Knoxville homeowners love the charm and personality of their neighborhoods. Bay windows enhance that charm by introducing classic architectural detail. They can be styled with decorative brackets, elegant trim, or even a small roof accent above the window. For traditional homes, bay windows add a touch of refinement and sophistication. For more modern homes, sleek frames and expansive glass panels create a clean, contemporary look. The versatility of bay windows means you can customize them to reflect your personal taste while maintaining the overall style of your neighborhood. Creating inviting outdoor impressions: a well-designed bay window often includes space for flower boxes or tasteful landscaping beneath it. Imagine colorful seasonal blooms framing your window in spring or festive greenery during the holidays. These small additions can make a big impact on curb appeal. Even without extra decor, the architectural projection naturally casts subtle shadows and adds depth, making your home's exterior more dynamic throughout the day. As the sun moves across the sky, light plays off the angles of the bay window, creating visual interest that changes with the seasons. Boosting home value and buyer interest: curb appeal isn't just about pride of ownership, it also influences property value. Homes with distinctive architectural features like bay windows often attract more attention in competitive Knoxville real estate markets. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel unique, bright, and thoughtfully designed. Because bay windows increase natural light and expand interior space visually, they make rooms appear larger and more functional. That added appeal can translate into stronger offers and faster sales when the time comes to list your home. A lasting investment in beauty: installing bay windows is more than a cosmetic update. It's an investment in the long-term beauty and character of your home. In Knoxville neighborhoods where community pride runs deep, thoughtful exterior upgrades help maintain the overall appeal of the area. If you're looking for a way to elevate your home's exterior while enjoying brighter interiors and stunning views, Bay Windows offer the perfect solution. They combine timeless style, functional benefits, and undeniable charm, enhancing curb appeal in a way that truly stands out in Knoxville.